exercise 14. Which of the following structures and the best Lewis structure? As you know, I explained previously, the Lewis structure is responsible only for the distribution of the total valence electrons. So for several possible Lewis structures, we choose the best by calculating the formal charge of each atom in the structure. The formal charge is equal to the valence electrons minus the non-bonding electrons minus half bonding electrons, or I can write it minus the number of bonds. All the above structures belong to the same molecule. So now we can compare the formal charges. In NaOCl, the nitrogen has 5, minus 2, minus 3, 5, minus 2, 3, minus 3, so 0. In the second atom, which is the oxygen, we have 6, minus 0, minus 4, so the formal charge is a plus 2. In Cl, we have 7, minus 6, minus 1, so the formal charge is equal to 0. In B, 6, minus 4, minus 2, 0. 7, minus 4, minus 3, so the formal charge is 0. 5, minus 6, minus 1, the formal charge Fc minus 2. In C structure, 7, minus 4, minus 3, so 0. 5, minus 0, minus 4, so plus 1. 6, minus 6, minus 1, so you have to correct the formal charge is minus 1. 6, minus 6, minus 1, the formal charge is minus 1. In D, 7, minus 6, minus 1, so 0. 5, minus 0, minus 4, so plus 1. For this oxygen, 6, minus 2, minus 3, so plus 1. And for E, 6, minus 4, minus 2, so 0. 5, minus 2, minus 3, the formal charge is 0. For Cl, 7, minus 6, minus 1, so the formal charge is equal to 0. C and D, so now D is wrong, since we could not have two adjacent atoms of the same sign of formal charge. Also B is wrong. The minus should be on the atom the most electronegative. So the minus should be on the oxygen. Falkland Briskatch. The oxygen is more electronegative than Cl and more electronegative than nitrogen. So the charge minus should be on oxygen. So B is incorrect. And D is incorrect. So now the choice is between A, C, and E. Pay attention, we correct this equal to minus 1. So the answer is A, C, or E. We follow the rules. The best structure is that with the lowest formal charge, and the best, well, all atoms in the structure has 0 formal charge. So the correct answer, or the best structure is in E, and the correct is E. Exercise 15. Rank the following bonds in order of increasing polarity: FO, FP, FS, and FF. FF is a covalent bond since we don't have difference of electronegativity. And in the others, we have difference of electronegativity between F and O, F and P, F and S. So the polarity of the bond increases when the difference of the electronegativity between the atoms of this bond increase. So we have to study the difference FO, FP, FS. We use directly the rule of the electronegativity, the Falkland-Brace-Kapsch. So the difference of electronegativity between F and P is greater than F and S, is greater than F and O, is greater than FF. So the most polar bond is FP, and the less polar bond is FF, which is 100% covalent. So the polarity increase in the same order of the difference of electronegativity. So the polarity of FP is greater than FS, greater than FO, greater than FF. So the polarity increase in the following order: 2, greater than 3, greater than 1, greater than 4, or 4 is less than 1, less than 3, less than 2. So the correct answer is E. Exercise 16. What are the formal charges on the central atoms in each of the following structures? The formal charge is equal to the valence electrons of the atom minus the non-bonding electrons minus the number of bonds, or minus half electron bonding. So for boron, we have 3 minus 0 minus 4, so the formal charge is minus 1. For nitrogen, we have 5 minus 0 minus 4 bonds, so the formal charge is a plus 1. And for oxygen, we have 6 minus 2 minus 3 bonds, so the formal charge is plus 1. So the sequence is minus 1, plus 1, plus 1, and the correct answer is B. Exercise 17. In which of the following structures does nitrogen has a formal charge plus 1? So I have to correct the formal charges. In structure 1, the nitrogen has formal charge equal 5 minus 0 minus 4. So the formal charge is a plus 1. In structure 2, 5 minus 4 minus 2. So the formal charge is equal to minus 1. In the third structure, 5 minus 2 minus 3. So the formal charge is equal to 0. In the fourth, 5 minus 2 minus 3 bonds, 2 bonds, an H and 1 bond and C. So I have 5 minus 2 minus 3. So the formal charge is equal to 0. And in the structure number 5, I have 5 minus 2 minus 3. So the formal charge is equal to 0. The question was, which of the following structure where nitrogen have a formal charge of plus 1 So the correct answer is the structure one, and the answer will be A.